for showing us how internet should go. Guys, if your internet is not like Chili's internet, you're on the wrong network. Okay, that's what I'll say. Some of you, you put it download. Look, the last time someone put it there, I swear I could have gone to cook beans for 2 hours and come back, and that thing was still downloading. So yeah, please, if you're on Talk, go and change to Virgin or Sky. All right, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm going to hand over to Elsie. Thank you, Elsie.
Oh, thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Please, can you hear me?
Good evening.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, we're going to continue from here. Are we all on the same page?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so if you see on your left side corner, it says planning, installation, maintenance. Yes, you click on installation. Yeah. So once that you've clicked on installation, what we want to install now is the new SQL Server standalone installation, the first one. Yeah, that very one. You click on that.
I'm going to stop sharing so I can share the new screen.
All right. Yes. So are we all on this page?
No.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Maybe yours is still installing.
Although I've installed the
SQL
SQL
Server.
Server, yes, before. I don't know if it's the same thing with this one you're downloading.
Okay, you just follow up. If it's not, we can see what we need to amend, but that's not going to be today.
Okay.
Okay, but just see, why I'm talking everyone through, just see if it's different from yours.
Okay, no problem.
So in this edition page, we can see specify a free edition, and it's on developer. Please check if you just click on this drop down arrow. Yeah, you see there is developer, there is evaluation. What we need is a developer. So just leave it on developer. Make sure it's on that specify a free edition.
Sorry, after you click on installation, what else do you click on?
You just let it run and it will bring out this page. It will bring up this page. When you click on installation, yeah, you click on new SQL Server, the first one. That's what we're installing. Have you clicked on that?
Yes, thank you.
So we'll just wait for you. Once you are on this page with us, let us know. So are you on this page? This edition.
It's showing something else entirely. It's showing global rules or something.
Oh, what did you click on installation? Then you click on the new SQL Server.
Yes.
Sorry to come in there. What did you say yours was showing?
Global rules. I think I should just click on edition on this list on the side. My own edition is somewhere down here. So probably I should just click on editions.
Sorry. Can you say that again? I didn't catch what you said.
I said mine is showing global rules, which is the third thing here. So I think I should just click on edition. Yeah, I'll click on edition. So okay.
That's fine.
So
it should be on developer. All right, I'm going to stop talking. But please, guys, follow the instructions. If you go ahead of LC, I've seen situations where people click on the wrong thing and then they can't install this again. We have to delete and restart again. And this process is not a short process. So, yeah, please.
Okay. So we're going to go on next. You click on next. Then on this page, yeah, accept. Let's take it slow and wait for everybody. So are we all on the same page, please? So click on next.
It's in anything.
Microsoft update.
I'm sorry, I can't click on that edition. Mine is starting with global rules, and I don't know why.
Global rules. I don't know which one.
That's the third thing. That's the third thing on the list. But mine is not starting with edition. It's starting with global rules.
Mine is showing global rule as well. So.
Global rules. Oh, wait. Mr. Ayo, can you come in, please?
Okay, what did you say yours was showing again? Global rules?
Yes, yes.
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay, so on global rules, okay, does it have a back button at the bottom? Back stuff?
It is not highlighted. It's only cancelled. I can click on.
Really?
Yes. And it's
Okay.
showing something. There's a writing on it saying operation completed, passed 6, failed 1, 1 in 0, skipped 0.
Yours has gone a step ahead. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. So Tilly, can you please check that use Microsoft update to check what update? Can you please click on that? Check it. Now, guys, what this means is this: before you come to join the meeting on Friday, please make sure you restart your computer. Maybe the morning before, or the morning before the meeting, or an hour before. Just if there's an update, it's going to run this by itself quickly. Sometimes, if there's an update and you don't do it, then you're going to struggle while the rest of the class is going on. You can't do much. Okay, so you're going to next it. If you've gone past the global rules, I'm not sure why that happened, but for some reason it's done the next thing, which is the next page you're going to see now actually. So yeah, can you next this one, Tilly, please?
Sorry, Mr. Mine is showing that restart computer is failed. So the only thing highlighted is rerun.
Restart computer has failed.
Yes.
Why did it tell you to restart?
No, that's what is written on the global rules. The rules, like here now. Mine is showing amongst this list that she has one in past and all that. Mine, one of it is restart computer, and the status is failed.
Oh. Is your computer a new computer or a very old one?
It's not very old and it's not very new.
I like that technical answer. Okay. You need to decide whether it's very old or very new. Okay. Restart your computer and then we'll see again. Restart everything.
Okay, all right.
Don't worry about this thing. We're here. We'll support, we'll help you when you come back. Okay? So the people that talked the last time, sorry, I wasn't checking your name. Are we all on the same page now?
No.
Okay.
Where are you?
I have installed.
No, mine is different here.
What is your saying?
On mine now, I've got Azure extension for SQL Server, and it's requesting for a login details.
Oh, we haven't got to that place. Have you clicked on?
Don't go ahead. Don't go ahead of the teacher.
No, I'm not ahead. I'm not ahead.
But have you seen this page?
The thing is, this screen, I've seen this screen today, but not at this stage.
You've seen this screen already?
Today, yeah, but not at this stage. You know, when she was saying, the other person, when she was saying, I set up this start from edition, mine did start from edition as well. I've got global rule.
Okay. And when you clicked on next,
yeah.
On global, so when I click on this one, Abi?
Yeah, when I click on next, then I got this page we're on now.
Okay.
Then after this page, when I click on next, I was on the same page with the teacher.
That's what I was saying. Now you've clicked on next on this one, and we have not. So
No,
if Azure tells, just hold on. Okay, let's do the next one now. Please.
Okay, if you click on next.
Everybody, just hold on. Is anybody still behind on? Okay, Chile, click on next. Let's just see.
Am I okay with the warning? It's okay. I don't have to do anything.
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Okay. Is this what you're talking about?
Yeah, that's the page I'm on. Yeah, that's the page I'm on now.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so that's because you've gone a step ahead of the teacher. So please, let's just chill a bit. Click on next. Still, don't put any username or password. Okay, the validation. Oh, I need to see that.
Okay, let me do it again.
The validation. Just click OK to close the dialog box. Move it at the bottom of the page. Okay. Use Azure login. Try use Azure login first. Okay, that is going to ask us to go and sign into Azure. Close it. Okay. What do I do now? So
Mara, why your mommy?
This Azure extension that is
check it. Yeah. Now
click
go
on.
ahead. Now, if you have to do Azure later, guys, Azure just means you're taking everything to the cloud. What you need to do is go and register on Azure and then come here and do this installation again. It will ask you if you want to delete a product, delete an item, or add an item. Add Azure to it, and that's it. You're done. All right, next. And now we have this. Okay, Elsie, do you want to carry on?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
So is everyone on the same page? Are we all here?
Hi, sorry. I'm not able to download anything just because I'm on Mac and I don't know what Windows I'm supposed to be downloading to even try and catch up.
Oh, you've got Mac laptop?
Yeah, I don't have a PC either, so yeah, that's not an option for me.
Right, okay. So you've got a Mac, which is great. However, this is a Microsoft Windows operation. Now, what we can do is you can have a Windows operating system installed on your Mac.
Is it a Windows 10 or is it Windows 11? Just because I'm trying to do that now, just to clarify.
Doesn't matter which one. I don't mind whichever one. I would rather, I don't know, if you want to do the latest one, that's great. That's entirely up to you, but it doesn't matter. As long as you have the new operating system on your system, then you can log on to the operating system and we can do the entire process.
Okay.
Yeah?
I would advise Windows 10 because the new Windows 11 is not really good.
Okay, I'm doing 10 now, so.
I've seen someone that changed from Windows 10 to Windows 11. The laptop, wasn't working anymore.
Okay, no problem.
All right, cool. Elsie, carry on, please. Thank you.
Okay, so we see futures and future description. So we're going to go on the future, instant futures, and we're going to be taking what we need that we're going to use for this SQL. Now, if you go up a bit, this side, the middle, yeah. So you're going to check database engine service. Just tick. You see the box is there.
Which one should I take?
Database, the first one.
Okay.
So you take the second one, SQL Server replication, and full text. Then data quality service, analysis services, data quality client, integration services, scale out master, scale scale out worker, then master data services. Yes, let's wait for everyone because Mr. Ayo likes to carry everyone along. So please let evening. Oh,
please, I just installed my own now. Said installation has completed successfully, which is developer edition. I don't know what next to press. I'm seeing connect now, customize, install SSMS, and close.
Oh. Okay. Can you say that again? You just download your SQL server.
Yes.
So what's this showing?
I'm seeing developer edition installation has completed successfully. So I'm seeing connect now, customized, install SSMS.
Okay. Have you seen custom at the middle?
Yes.
Click on custom.
Okay.
But you're way far behind us. Okay. You just let me know where you are at, then I can be, talking you through why we are moving on. So is everyone on this page, please?
Sorry, I'm back. I've restarted my system. So now mine has gone, now it's starting from installation type, and I can see that there's no installation type on this list. And the installation, yes, SQL Server 2022 setup, yes, same thing as this. So it's showing me installation type, and the options it's giving me is perform a new installation of SQL Server 2022, and the other one is add features to an existing instance of SQL Server 2022.
So that means you've installed this before, haven't you? You've done an installation before.
I've not installed it before.
No, you have installed it. If it's asking you to do that, it means there's an instance already there. So it's asking you whether you want to install, you want to add features to it.
No, I don't have. I've not installed it before.
Okay. Aya will sort you out because I don't really know how to help you. We're gonna click on next. We'll come back to you. Yeah.
All right, that's fine.
Sorry, I've gotten to Microsoft Update. Should I click the update? Use Microsoft Update.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you click on next. Please, everyone, if you're, you see the default instance. If you've installed this thing before, it won't allow you to go on next with the default instance. So you just have to rename that MS SQL. So you just put any name on there. But if you've not done it before, you see that the tick mark on that default instance, then you just click on next. Then you see we are in, just tick the grant permission. Yeah, and click on next.
Please, sorry, I didn't get what you're saying about the default instance before.
Yeah, if yours is on default distance, is fine. Then you just click on next.
Yeah, because mine is showing what is on default instance. If I click on next, it's coming up with an error message that that the MS SQL server is already in use.
Did you download it before?
I think I've downloaded it, but I didn't install.
Okay.
When you downloaded, did you click on your next? Did you do any of this process?
No.
Okay, all right. If yours is not, if you can't follow through, you need to hold on. When we've finished everything, then we have to look at yours separately.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Please, can I say something? On installation type now.
Yes.
Perform a new installation of SQL Server 2022. So I should press next.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the same thing I was saying.
If you did it give you an option of add features?
Yes.
No,
I would add features, to be fair, because if you're doing a new installation, then at some point we would have to change the name of the instance, and that can be nasty for you, because then you need to remember all the time the name of the instance that you're using.
Because the
So do
instance
add feature.
okay,
Do
the
add
what
feature
is
instead.
MS SQL server? That's what it is. Should I just pick that? Add feature to an existing?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
But when you click on that, it will deactivate the perform a new installation. Is that
don't
okay?
perform new installation. Yeah, don't perform new
Okay.
installation. Yeah.
I'm on this
Okay.
I'm on planning, installation, maintenance, tools, resources.
Click on next on this one.
What?
Please click on next. You are on planning, installation, then install. If you are on planning, installation, maintenance, when you click on installation.
On the top left, you go on installation, you choose installation.
Yeah, I'm seeing installation. So I'm seeing new SQL server.
That's the first one. Yeah, click on that one, the first one on the right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
please,
now, yes.
on the Azure extension, we are not clicking on anything there.
No, don't check the top. Don't uncheck it. Otherwise, you're gonna need login.
Okay.
Uncheck it and next it. Okay. I'm gonna do mute now because I'm ordering KFC. I'm driving, guys. And this is not nice. But anyway, okay. Oi, you
so
okay?
on this interface, we're going to add current user. So you're going to click on add current user and click on next.
Oh, I just click on it. That's it.
Yes. Then
it comes out with this.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is when you log in, you see, click on next. So
Can I take you back?
Okay.
On the
Same
feature
thing.
selection.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry too. On the feature selection, please,
yes.
what were the features you asked us to tick?
Okay, tick database engine services.
Yes, that one is already ticked.
SQL server replication.
Okay.
Full text and semantic extraction.
Yes.
Data quality service.
Okay.
Analysis services.
Yes.
Data quality client.
Yes.
Integration services.
Okay.
Scale out master.
All right.
Scale out worker.
Thank you. Yes.
Master data services.
All right.
Then you click on next. Yes. So you see a default instance that will pop up.
Okay. I'm still seeing, please wait.
Okay. Let's just wait for her.
Server configuration.
We're in the same place.
Yes. So is it on default instance? You see MS SQL Server.
SQL Server Analysis System.
Yeah, that's the account. The account name is NT service /MS SQL Server.
Yes.
Did you see instance configuration?
Instance.
No.
Guys, do me a favor, guys. Do me a favor. If we have gone past the page that the teacher is on, can we please be patient? And then once we've run this through, once this is doing an installation, then she can tell someone else. Otherwise, it's all over the place, and then there's a lot of confusion. So please, if you're still behind, just hold on for a bit. We will get through to everyone. Has to get this on their system for us to do this course. So please just relax. On this page, Tilly, you need to click on add current user.
Add current user.
And just hold on for a few seconds. Okay, now you can next it. I'm gonna go mute again. So guys, if we've gone past your page, please be patient.
Mr. The thing is that ours is arranged differently. That's the problem. So we'll just wait. Let us finish with those that have set up.
Say that again, sorry.
I said ours is arranged differently. That lady that was asking earlier, our own configuration is same as mine. So maybe we just wait for Tilly to finish.
Hold on.
Then we will wait. Then
we'll get through to everyone. Yeah, hold on.
So you click on next on this one, this page.
Excuse me.
Click on next.
Excuse me, sorry.
And next again. Install.
Can I have some turbochargers, please? The spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo?
Yeah.
Super salad.
So, yes, sir.
Mr. Yeah,
As
no.
many as you have. Thank you very much. Have a good night.
So let someone else share why this her own is installing. Please, someone else can share.
I'm going to stop sharing now.
So those people that have that unique issues, can you share your? Can one person now share your screen and then we can take it from there, please?
I'll start sharing mine.
Oh, I made a mistake. Bloody hell! I didn't collect plates. Oh my god. Am I muted? Oh god, guys, I'm sorry. You shouldn't hear any of this. I do apologize. I'm gonna go mute now.
Okay, server configuration. So, just a sec. I think we're gonna click on next. Mr. Ayo, we're clicking on next here, isn't it?
Let's see.
Do we need to go back and see what she picked?
Because the SQL analysis is
go
selected.
back a bit. Go back a bit. What did you say? Analysis.
It's selected there, so I wasn't sure.
Analysis services is allowed. We need it. 1 sec. Let me just see properly. Operation pass. Yeah, it's next. That's fine. Next on here. Next. Add current user. I hope you guys did not go and install the thingy, the one that's got
Oh, that one is
Express. Anyway, we'll get there. We'll get there. Either way, we'll get there. Okay, you can next it now. And then add current user. Okay, I think we're now on the same page now.
What should I do again?
Next. Next, it should start installing now. Sir, can I have some plates and some cups, please? I forgot. Paper plates and cups.
Install.
Paper plates?
Yeah. Well.
How many paper plates you want?
At 6.
6? How many cups you want?
It's a party bucket, isn't it?
How many cups you want?
6 as well.
6 as well, yeah. No worries, bro. 1, 2, 4, 5.
So is there any other person that is behind?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I just want to say something. I didn't go through the steps when I was installing mine.
Say that again, sorry.
I didn't go through all the steps.
Have you finished your own installation?
Yes.
And it's finished everything?
It's finished everything, but I didn't go through all the steps.
Okay, don't worry about the steps. There's a destination we're interested in. Thank you. Have a good weekend, yeah?
Okay.
Right. Okay, is the destination we're worried about. So when we start working with it, right? If there is any anomaly, that's a quick fix. That's an easy win. The most important thing is for you to have it on your system to start with.
Okay.
Yeah. So while these are installing, do you want to talk them through to how to install the SSMS as well, LC? So everyone go on Google again. Well, if this is downloading for you already, you need to do the next thing, which is Google and get SSMS. Google get sugar, mother, sugar. SSMS. So the difference is this. What you have installed or what is installing on your computer right now is called the server, right? That's the server that's hosting your data. That's where your data is and all that. Now you need a tool to interact with it, right? You need a tool to be able to log into your server, pull out data, mess about with it, and all of that. And that tool is called SSMS. And what that means is SQL Server Management Studio. If anyone here has been working on in IT before and you've done a bit of programming and stuff, you notice that you've been using stuff like Visual Studio to write your C#, or you've used PyCharm. Is it PyCharm? You've used stuff like, for Python, you've used stuff like IDEs like blimey, what's this one? Oh God, why is my head is full of KFC at the moment? Okay, so so that's exactly what SSMS is for you. Yeah, that's exactly what SSMS is. You use that for your installation, for interacting with it. Elsie, if you need to go, that's fine. Thank you very much, Elsie.
Thank you. Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it. You've become a master in this.
I will. Thank you so much. Thank you I really enjoyed these few minutes.
That's good. We're going to do more of this. Well done.
Yeah.
And thank you guys for your
everyone.
patience. Can we give a round of applause to Elsie? Thank you. Okay, right. So when you download SSMS, your server itself is a back-end thingy. You can't see it. SSMS is the interface with which you interact with it. So does anyone want to share their screen? The installation for SSMS is straightforward, to be fair. So anyone wants to share their screen, we can quickly go through that. For next lesson.
Yes, I want to share mine.
Oh,
yeah, go
sorry.
What version are we downloading?
Okay, so SSMS, you can download any version you like. I would say the latest one, if you want, is fine. The latest one is fine. However, just be aware that when you work in an organization, they may have paid for. All right, we're not at that bridge yet. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. You can get to. Okay, let me just say it. Some organizations, they've purchased their SQL Server instance and stuff since 2016 or 2015, and they're using the 2014 version. And then you've gone there, you've now downloaded SSMS, maybe Visual Studio. You've downloaded Visual Studio for your SSRS of 2022. And then you develop a report. Now, when you try to push the report live, it's going to give you errors because it's going to say, look, backward compatibility is not a thing then. But then again, there are ways around it. There are hacks that we use. But anyway, we're not there yet. If we have to do that, we will get there. So for now, SSMS, yes. The first one, which says free download, you see this one is a straightforward thingy. Free download.
I'm still behind, please.
Onoma, did you say you're behind?
Yes.
Where are you?
On there's a Microsoft update to check for important updates. I'm seeing a box to click, use Microsoft update to check for updates recommended.
Okay, those check boxes.
Yeah, just one. This is just one here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know where you are.
Yeah, I'm seeing edition, license times, global rules, Microsoft update, product updates, install setup files, install rules.
Yeah, I was writing them down as we're going along, but they were too fast. I'm not sure I captured that area you are, but I think, is that the one that has the Azure checkbox?
Yes, Azure extension for SQL Server.
Yeah, I think what we did I think it was for Tilly, we unchecked it because it didn't allow, but maybe you wait for Ayo to come back and then.
Yes, you are right. We unchecked the Azure Devil extension.
Yeah, we did. If you
Can
want
you guys hear me?
It's not that part.
We're not hearing you.
I know what you're talking
We
about.
cannot hear
Oh
you.
my God, I've been talking since, so I thought you guys were just ignoring me and doing your own thing.
No, no.
I wanted to say which kind of students are these ones. Honestly, I've been talking for the past 5 minutes and I'm thinking someone is saying, so I was talking that someone was saying, Onome, where are you? So don't mind this teacher, Jare. Onome, where are you? I'm like,
No, we're not
I'm like,
hearing you. We're not trying
I'm like,
to
what's
ignore
going
you.
on here? These people are taking over my class. Okay, Onome, don't worry, we're gonna sort you out now. Tilly, you've done yours. You need to restart, right? Now,
It just came to
before you
this
restart,
place. I don't know
sorry?
if it just came to this place. Do I just restart? That's it. Because
So
once I clicked on it, it just came here.
Yeah, you've done your installation. That's why it's saying that. Now, before you restart, can you see the bottom? Can you see there's like new icons showing at the bottom of your Windows screen? Those ones, those yellow stuff. Yeah, that is that item that you're gonna be using now. That's your interaction. That's what you use to interact with your server. So you restart and join the meeting again, and then we'll wait for you while Onome shares his screen.
Okay, I'm on two systems, so yeah.
All right, cool. Onome, you can share your screen now, please.
Okay. This is him.
Okay. So check that use Microsoft. Check it. Yeah, and next. Is anyone else still on this page, please? Is anyone else still here? Okay, silence is good. It means that we've all gone past this. This is great. If you've done exactly what Tilly has done, the two stuff, both installations, I think we're good for the night. All I'm just going to ask you to do is just hold on so I can show you how to log into your server. Although your server is still empty right now, there's nothing inside of it. But anyway, it's good for you to know how to log into it. Next. Yeah, uncheck that one at the top. That Azure extension, uncheck it, yeah. Okay, next. Okay, so database engine, check. The first one. SQL server replication. Okay, the next one, full text data quality.
This one?
Yeah. And the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and analysis services. Check Polybase. I think we may have a problem with Polybase, but let's see. Data, yeah, check that one. Integration services, yes. And everything under it. Master data services as well. I hope we don't have problem with Polybase. Okay, next.
Yeah, because we didn't check Polybase all the time.
Earlier, yeah. Okay, go back. Polybase is just a way to connect to other stuff, but yeah. Click next. Okay. Uncheck Polybase.
Polybase.
Yeah, that one. Okay, next. Please, what internet are you using? Are you in the UK?
Yes, I'm using Sky.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's good. So here it's saying default instance. Yes, next. Grant, check grant perform. Next. Add current user.
What?
At the bottom left. Come down. Left. Yeah, left. Your guy, you're going right to left.
So, okay.
Oh, go down. Add current user. Just click it once. Okay, now next. It should open again. Add current user again. Next. Next. And install. Okay, so it's installing now. Okay, if your internet is good, that'll be good. Okay, while this is installing, can you go and do a Google search?
Okay.
Tilly, are you back?
Yes, I am.
Cool. Okay, you're going to share your screen in a minute. So click on Get SSMS. Okay, enter. Okay, the first one. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, okay. Free download for SQL, that one. Okay, so this is an easy installation. You just click it, and it goes. And it may ask you to restart. For some people, you have to restart.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. So we're all done. Now, stop sharing. Tilly, can you share your screen? And after this, I'm going to end the lesson.
Okay. Just trying to share it now.
Okay. Wait. Why is that happening? Let's see.
Sorry.
It's still installing.
Yes.
Okay.
When I came back, I was looking for it. I couldn't find it. So I went to the downloads to see, and then I just clicked on it, and then it started doing this.
Okay, that's fine. That's okay.
Please, sir, from my homepage, I'm seeing Microsoft
You're
SQL
still what?
Server. I'm seeing repair, uninstall, and close.
Hey. Okay. Chile, let's ask your screen very quickly, please.
Okay.
Chile, just shout to me when this is done.
Okay.
It's almost done, actually. Chile, hold on. Once you do this, I think this is done. The person that said I should, sorry, I didn't see your name. So please, can you download SSMS anyway? So this is saying restart, close it. Don't worry, don't restart, close.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go and open your Windows icon on the bottom left.
This
or
one?
type SSMS. Yeah, type SSMS there. Okay, it's there. Can you see it? Number 3.
Oh, okay.
If you click on it, it's number 3 on the list.
So
See?
I open it?
Open it, yeah. So guys, this is it. Once you open it, it will then ask you for username and password. But because we've used a default user, it's taking up the name of your PC straight away. Can you see that? Fantastic. Now click on connect. No, hold on. Before you click on connect. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Right. If you look at the top left, on the left in that white background, you see connect there still.
Okay.
Click on connect. Click on database engine. Okay. So guys, if you look at this, right? If you work as a contractor, it means you're not part of the organization. You've just been contracted to come and work. Then your authentication will be another one called SQL. Now, can you check the authentication for me, please? Open that drop down. Yeah. Yours will be SQL Server Authentication. Right. If you guys work, if they have an Azure database, if they use Azure, then you're going to be using one of those Azure ones. But yeah, for you, if it's your PC and you work with the organization, it's just Windows authentication. You're already on the Active Directory. So once you just use Windows authentication, it logs in straight away. So please leave it as Windows authentication and cancel out. Okay, so on the left, you're going to have all of your stuff. You can see databases and security, server objects, replication, management, integration service catalogs, blah, blah, blah. What you're interested in is the databases for now. If you click the plus sign on the databases, so at the moment, you can see it's empty. We have system databases, which is the default one that's come, and we have database snapshots, right? And that is where we are going to actually, Billy, do me a favor, do one more thing. Go and search. Go on Google. Everybody do this now, please. Even the people that have not completed their installation, go on Google. Do get Adventure Works, one word, Adventure Works, one word, 2022. No, one word, still one word. 2022 database. Space database. Choose this, yeah. Yeah. No, you've used. Okay, look at what you typed. You've put 2022D.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Space. There. Okay. Okay. Now you can see AdventureWorks samples databases. Click on that first one. And scroll down a bit. Okay. So you can see, please, everyone, download what you have. Don't do anything again on this, guys. Don't run it. Don't run it. This is for the next class. Do not run it. Just leave it in your download folder, okay? So click on the first one, which is adventureworks.bak. That's the backup file. Click on the first one.
This one?
No. The list that is giving you, scroll back up. No, wait. Yeah, no. Scroll down. You see those everything written in blue?
Yes.
Yeah, the first one.
This one, the first one here?
Yeah. Tell me what I can't see. No. Go back. Okay. Can you see where it says OLTP?
Under OLTP.
Yeah.
Down here?
That one. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Then go across data warehouse. Do that one too. Click on it. No, don't do the light one. You don't need light. So have you clicked on both of them?
No, I haven't clicked on any. Do you want me to click on the two of them?
Yeah, click on them. Yeah.
Okay.
And the second one. It should be downloading now, should it? Is it?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Right. Okay, Tilly, you're done for the day. Please don't click it. Once it finishes downloading, do not touch it. Just leave it like that. It's a backup file. We're going to be backing it up onto our server, and then we're going to start querying databases. So a few things you've done today, Tilly. What you've done basically is you've installed the server, you've installed what you use to interact the server, which is SSMS, and you've also downloaded the backup folder. That's our database. So that's the first database we're going to be working with from next week. I'm going to ask for you guys if we can do next week on a Sunday evening, because I have an engagement on Saturday. But anyway, we'll get there when we cross there. But please note it in your diary. It's going to be Sunday next week at 6:30. My classes are 6:30, please. 6:30 on Fridays. But this weekend, we're doing, next weekend, we're doing Sunday. Okay, Tilly, you can stop sharing the screen and you can have a good weekend. If you guys have done all three
Mr.
stuff.
Do you mean 6:30 on Sunday next week?
6:30 on Sunday, yes, PM.
So are we going to do Friday and Sunday, or Friday?
No. So I'm not available on Friday next week. I'm not available on Saturday next week. I will do Sunday instead.
Okay. Do we have you tomorrow? No.
No.
Okay. So next week, Sunday, you're saying?
Next Sunday, yeah.
Okay. That's 6:30.
Thank you very much, guys. Have a good evening. The person
please,
that stopped. Sorry?
The class.
Sorry? Your line is breaking. Or maybe it's my line, I don't know.
No, we can hear you.
Oh, okay.
Hear you.
I was going to show you mine. I've installed.
Someone was telling me that they were stuck before. They were still on mute. Okay, share your screen quickly.
For mine.
If you're not there, if you're still on the first thing we did today, which is this server installation, please share your screen now. SSMS installation is the easiest thing. You don't need me for that. Just Google it. Just Google run, and that's fine. It's just straightforward. The AdventureWorks one too is straightforward. Don't run it. Just download it and just leave it in your download folder. We're gonna pick it up next week. So it's just the SQL Server installation that I'm interested in. If you've not installed your server, please share your screen. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it says here the instance is already in use. Okay, now I want you to click on the second one, named instance, at the top. Now type your name in there.
So what do you want me to type?
Type your name. So if you've had a problem where it says the instance already in use, you're gonna have to do this. Type your name in there, any name you want. Okay, that's fine. Now, notice, guys, if you are one of the people doing named instance, if we come across a problem next week, you need to tell me quickly that we didn't use your default instance. Okay, click on next at the bottom. Why are you using Blue Sky? Use your name.
Yeah, but one thing is, what I realize is that I've got one, I don't know, I've got one SQL installed.
Okay, use your middle name. Use something else. Don't use Blue Sky. Okay, if you want to use Blue Sky, it's up to you. That's fine. Click next. Next.
Oh, yeah, let me quickly change it then. Okay. Yeah, next.
What internet are you using, sir?
Talk.
It's Talk, Abi. Someone already answered for you. What internet are you using?
Coded. No, it's coded, yeah.
Coded.
It's coded.
We know coded is good word for Talk. We understand. Next. By your speed, we shall know whether you use Talk or not. Don't worry. No. Add current user at the bottom. Just wait for it. Next. Add current user again. Oh, next. Next. And install. Have you done the other stuff, right?
Yeah, I've done that, yeah.
All right, cool. So you're done. That's it. Once this finishes installation, you can go and open your SSMS and log onto your laptop. But this time, you're not going to use SQL Server. You're going to use Olu because you've used Olu. You're going to, so where it types in your name, you're going to click, you're going to do the drop down and then check for your name and then pick your name. Okay. Any other person struggling at this point?
Okay.
I've not been able to download
Thank you.
those.
Okay. Can you share your screen quickly, please?
Okay.
Olu, you can go to now. You can. This
stop.
is just going to run. That's fine.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right. The next person can share. Okay, Desiree. Oh, you are the MacBook person.
Yeah.
All right, go on Google. Have you downloaded the other stuff I told you to download?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on Google. Are you on the operating system for Windows now?
No, I can't seem to download it. I tried to download it, but it's not working.
Right. Okay. Can't help you with this. I can't help you today. We have to see, I have a MacBook as well, but I don't put Windows on. I've not put Windows on it. But let me give me a few days. You have me on Telegram, don't you?
No.
No. Okay. Wumi, are you on? I don't know if Wumi's still on. Are you guys in a group, in a group, yeah?
Yeah.
On Telegram. Okay. Send the meet so you'll see my name on there. Send a text message to me during the week,
Okay.
and we can sit together and look at this. You're in the US, aren't you?
No, UK.
Oh, UK. Okay, cool. Yeah. So if you tell Wumi, if you can't get me directly, tell Wumi, and she'll add you to my Telegram, and then we can sort it out from there.
All right, thank you.
Is that okay?
Yeah,
I'll do a
that's
bit
fine.
of research, and if you know anybody that can help you do the installation, please go ahead and do it.
I have
But I have to do
problem
some
too.
research.
All right, thank you.
All right.
I have
Cheers.
the
Have a good
same.
night.
Sorry,
All right.
so I have the same MacBook problem too.
You have the same MacBook problem.
Yeah.
Okay. See if you can go online and see Windows installation on MacBook. If you can do it, I'm going to research it as well. You speak to Tilly. Sorry, Tilly. Speak to Desiree, and let us find the same time, and we can both do it together at the same time. Is that okay?
No problems. Thank you.
All right then. Have a great weekend, everyone. Enjoy your weekend, and thank you for being patient with Elsie.
Hello,
That's the first
sir,
time
I'm
she's
not
teaching a
through.
class. Yeah.
Please, I think I share my screen now.
Okay.
I'm still on this SSMS.
Madam, I've been talking since. Did you go and cook beans first?
No, sir, I heard you. You said I should hold on.
Oh, was it? Okay. I thought you went to cook beans. So you're closed. I think you finished. Close. Okay. I can't see your screen again.
I don't know what.
I can't see your screen again. Your screen keeps going off. Have you closed that page?
Close the page, not your screen.
Not your screen. Close that page. That place that is saying repair.
And now that's the page I closed.
Okay, so you can see repair, uninstall, and close. Click on close. Your old screen is going off.
Yeah, that's because she's not sharing the old screen. She was only sharing that page that we're looking at.
Oh,
so every
okay.
time
Share your screen again. Share your screen,
entire
but don't
screen.
share the only that page. Share the entire screen, please. I need to go, guys. I'm keeping someone waiting here. Finally, okay. Why are we still here? Wait, hold on. Are you sure you want to? No. Have you completely installed this server? Yes, you have.
Mine came like this as well. I installed the SSMS from here.
This is
Okay.
what it keeps showing me.
Have you installed? So, question is, have you installed this server before?
No.
You're
Because
saying that you have?
I don't know, but I went to check and there's nothing like that.
Okay. On your SSMS. Oh, for me. Okay. Go and click on Go and click on thingy SSMS. Go and open SSMS. Just leave this one the way it is.
This was where I got it from.
Okay. Wait. Installation has completed. Okay. Close this. I think you've done the server already. Close. Can you click on close on this page? For me, it's TalkTalk you're using. I swear it's TalkTalk you're using. Say yes or no.
What do you say?
It's TalkTalk you're using.
No, Virgin Media.
What are you?
He
Virgin
said
Media.
close this page. Close it.
So either you're not listening to me or you're cooking beans. If you're on Virgin
I
Media,
am
that's
not
one thing.
cooking beans, no.
You're cooking beans. You know that beans story when I was in uni, right? I came late to resume my first year in uni. So all the rooms were gone. They now put me in a room called common room. Block F common room. You see that block F, we're like 25 in that room. We're sleeping on bunks. So anytime that people come back from school classes in the evening, the light always trips up. So everybody will come out of their room and start shouting, "Come on, room, you're cooking beans again." That thing stuck with me, honestly. So since that time, if nothing works, it's beans. So close this page. Why is it not moving?
You're not able to close the page?
I'm closing the pages now.
There's something showing on your screen called Developer Edition. That's what I'm saying.
Developer Edition. I don't think I have Developer
Stop
Edition.
sharing and share again. I think that's frozen. Stop sharing and share again.
I said she's using.
Share your entire screen.
Share your entire screen, not just a page.
When I click on sharing, you just bring my desktop to me. So I don't know where I click on entire share all windows, right?
Yes.
Is it okay this way?
Hallelujah. Cancel. Okay.
That's my tablet.
Okay, no, don't click, don't open a tab. Go to your Windows logo at the bottom left and then type SSMS. No, at the bottom or at the bottom. Go and click your Windows logo at the bottom.
Your Windows
bottom
logo.
left.
Okay.
And type SSMS.
When you press start,
Yeah, where you do start.
This is it.
At the bottom. I can't see the bottom of your screen, to be fair. Can anyone see it?
No.
No, she's not sharing her entire screen.
Oh my goodness. What was
If you unshare screen, if you click share, you'll see screen there. That's the one.
And this is not my first time of sharing now. Which one is share screen again?
Okay. Who can I hand this over to that will help for me, please? Because I need to go.
I will help her.
What does she need to do?
I will help her.
We'll help her.
Thank you very. See, you have a very fantastic coursemate here. You guys are wonderful. Thank you very much. They're going to help you. I am going to leave from here. Okay, guys, have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you next week.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. For me, I click on that start button here. Or you type SSMS.
No, this is Google. This. Okay. Go on.
That first one on top.
Yeah, that
SQL
one.
server. Yeah, click on that.
Yeah, you have it. Click on it. Yeah, you have it already.
Okay.
Guys, how can we get Wumi so that the recording can stop? Because if she's not here, we can't even. The recording is just going to be running.
Let's see if I can.
I don't think the person recording has to be in the group. I don't think the person can leave.
No, she's there, but she's not with us, right? Like she's still there, but she's not staying. I don't know how to describe it. She's
Maybe
not listening to the meeting. Like she
maybe we
probably
should go
stepped
to
away.
maybe we should go to the main room. Maybe we'll find somebody that can reach her.
Okay.
Is that all?
Yes, you have it. That's it.
Okay, I already have it.
Mm-hmm. You have.
Thank you.
Do you know what? So that you can
Yes.
easily find it here. Right click on that. Go back to your start button. That SSMS.
Okay,
Okay.
wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you click connect.
Connect, yeah.
Yeah.
So go to click that start button. Yeah.
Yes.
Type SSMS. Then right click on that SSMS. Right click on it.
The one I just
No,
typed.
the SQL server. The SQL server. Right click on it. Then open file location.
Open file location.
Yeah. So you can move it to your desktop. Just drag it like that and put it on your desktop. Drag it. Click and drag. Put it on your desktop. Yeah. So you can easily find it when you need it. You don't have to start typing and searching for it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So you go to your desktop now. You see it there. You see the icon there.
Okay, but I am good to go here from here.
Yeah. You can close it. You are done.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Has anybody gone to get Wumi?
I'm trying to. I don't know. I have to enter one of the rooms, maybe SM room, to go and get her. Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right, guys, she's coming.
Okay, thank you, Tilly.